Hey YouTube family and friends, this is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to stop bugs in the garden. And I'm talking about bad bugs. We got good bugs and bad bugs. The bad bugs, they're gonna try and stop us from growing something tasty. All right, as you can see, if you're looking at my shirt, this is the brand new Growing Something Tasty shirt. And it's gonna be available within 2 weeks. And once it drops, I'll put a message out in the community tab, so make sure you look out for it. All proceeds are gonna go to help buy a wireless mic, so that when I'm working around in the garden, you'll be able to see and hear exactly what I'm doing. And I have ladies t-shirts as well as men's, and once you go into the link, you'll be able to customize your shirt. My wife, she has a pink shirt. You can pick the different types of colors, as well as make the image smaller or a little larger. All right, so be looking out for that. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, the first line of defense, you have the yellow sticky traps. Now, I've used these for like 5, 6, 7 years, a long time. I'm gonna buy another pack. Now, these sticky traps, all you have to do is peel. Let me take this down. Peel this off, and this trap is real sticky. And then all you have to do is peel the back side off. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, will the good bugs be affected? For some reason, they don't get attracted to the yellow card. So all I have to do, and they send little twisties and they already got pre-cut holes. If you want to do it the long way, I'll just do it the long way for the day. And then all you have to do is just twist it around like this. And if you want to have the twisties going horizontal, then you could turn it that way so that it can go horizontal. Either way works. So what you do is you want to go 2 to 3 inches above your plants, and just put that down. I've had it even that high, and the bugs went to it. And so the bugs that will go toward the sticky trap, you have the aphids, you have the fungus gnats, you have the leaf miners, and you have white flies. I've also seen the cucumber beetle fly on this as well. So this is one thing that you can use, and it works. I put this all over my garden, and if you have plants inside, you can use that too. Now, I shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it, because I don't think my wife has paid attention to my little area where all my plants are, and I didn't sterilize the soil for my lemon tree. I did for my other plants, and I don't have any issues in there. But she has not noticed this, but I just want you to know that this works. All right, so if you look close, I'm gonna move in close. You see those bugs? Time they got out of the soil, once I noticed that I saw a little bug starting to crawl, I went ahead and got this sheet, and I cut it a little bit to fit the need and lay it down there, and they never flew around. So I got it so that time they hatch, they went to the yellow card. I'm telling you, it works. And you probably may get some other bugs. It does not work for the squash bugs. I wish it did. I'll do another video later talking about what we can do for those bugs. But once again, you see that it works. All right, so I know I'm gonna get it because my wife watched the video, so when she sees it tomorrow, she's gonna be like, what? All right, but I did it for everybody watching, just to let you know that this works. All right, in our next line of defense, you can work on using companion planting. If you don't know what companion planting is, it's real simple. For example, you can plant your marigolds, or you can go to the store and purchase marigolds. There come in a variety of colors. You can have yellow, you can have orange, and it's just a mixture. Those marigolds, they are going to present a pungent odor that is going to confuse the pests or the bugs from trying to find your plants that they're trying to eat upon. So using those marigolds, either by going to the store, purchase them, or planting them yourself, that is going to help you fight against the bugs. All right, and there are other companion plants that you can have. If you want me to do another video or list a lot of the other companion plants you could choose from, just let me know in the comments. All right, here is another companion plant. This is my garlic. I have garlic that I planted a couple months ago, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to move it around to areas that are getting hit by the pests, or I'm gonna have used this as a preventative measure. Things that I know that bugs are gonna go to, I'm gonna go ahead and lay this around. Onions is another one. All right, so we can use these plants to help fight against these pests. All right, my voice is kind of raspy, so I gotta take a quick sip of water. You probably can hear it. All right, now, speaking of cups, a water jug, this is a special water jug. It's guaranteed to keep your drink cold as long as you put ice in it, but look at why it's special. All right, it's all about growing something tasty. All right, so that's in the merch shelf as well when it drops. I hope that's not a shameless plug, but like I said, I need it real bad because my voice is going out. All right, the next thing you can do, I have 100% peppermint oil. All right, this is gonna help mask the smell. And all you have to do with the peppermint oil, you fill up your container, your spray container, with water. And it doesn't matter which size you use. I'm using a half gallon. So once I fill it up, all I'm going to do is just put like 7 or 8 drops. I don't squirt it all in, just like eye drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you'll be good to go. Put the cap on it, shake it up, and then you can go ahead and apply it to your plants. But I want to let you know that you want to test spray. Anytime you're using a spray, you always test spray like one plant to make sure that it's not an issue, and you wait like 48 hours. If you see that it's not an issue, then go ahead and start spraying. Always test spray. And we'll talk about sprays in the upcoming next month. All right, the next spray that you can use on oil is Neem Oil. Now, before you go to the store and purchase Neem Oil, you want to make sure that it's 100% cold pressed. All right, because all the good ingredients is still in it when it's cold pressed. All right, most of that stuff on the shelves is junk, and you want to make sure that it also has is 100% cold pressed neem oil, and it has azadirachtin. All right, the azadirachtin is not on the shelves in most of those neem oils. So if you are looking at the neem oil on the shelves, make sure you look for azadirachtin. I'll put that word on the screen so you'll know. That is going to stop all the pests, that chewing pests, because once they ingest this, the azadirachtin, that is going to kill them. But it's all natural. All right, so make sure you look out for that. And I get this from Gary from the Rustic Garden. I've had this vial for a long time. All right, so it lasts a long time. All right, so this is another technique that you can use to help fight these bad bugs. Now, the last technique, or one of the last techniques that I'm gonna talk about today, is that you can buy beneficial bugs to help in the garden. And I'm always late with it because the number one thing you can get ladybugs. I think they come in anywhere from 700 to 1,000. Every time I'm getting ready to order, they're all out. That probably lets me know that it really works. The ladybugs, they are going to eat all of the aphids, and there are some other insects that they eat up too. Who would have thought? All right, so using these good insects to go after the bad is a great idea to try. I know I have gotten the praying mantis. I had them in my yard, and they had the little egg sacs, and they hatched, and I let them out in my garden the year before last. So if I can find some more of those, I will be using that too. So every little bit helps, and these are some options that you can choose that are not harmful to the garden. If you want to go that route of using pesticides, that's your choice. I'm just giving you other options if you want to be strictly organic. And by the way, these traps are organic. I will leave the link in the description so that you can just click on it. If you would like to purchase it, you can go to Amazon and go ahead and get as many as you need, because these are going to help you a lot. Like I said, I have them in my garden every year, and I'm about to go ahead and start putting them out now, even before I put all my plants out. All right, so this is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my channel, and be on the lookout for the t-shirt. All right, have a great day. Bye.